Good morning, students. Today we are going to do the revision that whatever we learned in the previous classes, and this revision is very important for the test. Okay, so write everything that I am going to write on the board today. Okay, it should be in your notebook and read it. Okay, read it for the examination. So first one, we will discuss some of the fill in the blanks. Okay, so here what are those fill in the blanks. In the fill in the blanks, first one, what is the first question is that we breathe through dash. We breathe through dash. And the second question is the stem holds the plant dash. Next, third one is tiny pores on the surface. Tiny pores on the surface. On the surface of the leaves are called the leaves are called dash. The fourth one is a tadpole grows into a tadpole grows into dash. And the fifth one is a kitten grows into a dash. Kitten grows into dash. So these are the some fill in the blanks. What is the first one? Oh, we breathe through dash. We breathe through dash. So which organ? Which internal organ we use to breathe? That is lungs. Those are the lungs. So we use lungs to breathe. Is it? Yes. The second one is the stem holds the plant dash. The stem holds the plant upright. In which direction a stem holds the plant upright? Okay. Next one is tiny pores on the surface of the leaves are called as stomata. Is called stomata. Those are the tiny pores which are present on the leaves. Those are tiny pores and the sanu pores irtave leaves mele. Adukku navu ಏನು ಅಂತೀವಿ stomata ಅಂತೀವಿ. So the next one, a tadpole grows into. Tadpole ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? It is the baby of frog. So ಅದು tadpole grow ಆಗಿ ಎದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? Frog ಒಳಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ. Okay. So the last one, a kitten grows into a dash. Kitten is nothing but a baby of cat. So that kitten grows into a cat. ಆ kitten grow ಆಗಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Cat ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Tadpole grow ಆಗಿ frog ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so first one we breathe through lungs. The stem holds the plant upright. Tiny pores on the surface of the leaves are called as stomata. And a tadpole grows into a frog. A kitten grows into a cat. These are the some fill in the blanks with their answers. And these are the extremely important for the examination. Okay. After this, match the following is there. What is that? Match the following. So, match the following. What is the first one? Root. Okay. Next. All man-made things are See the opposite part of this. See the opposite part, okay? Or food factory of a plant. Or food factory of a plant. Okay. Next, non-living. Sorry. Lies under the ground. Lies under the ground. Next, non-living things. Non-living things. And the last one, if someone breaks. Okay. So these are the some fill in the blanks that you should answer. So see the correct answers. So root. What is the suitable answer for root? That lies under the ground. Where you can see the root of a plant that lies under the ground. Okay. Next, all man-made things are non-living things. Yes, all man-made things are non-living things. For example, chair, table, books, school, everything that is man-made things are non-living things. Next, we feel pain if someone pricks you. Yes, if someone pricks us, then we feel pain. Okay. Next, leaves are food factory of a plant. Yes, leaves are the food factory or kitchen of the plant we call, because it prepares the food. Okay, so these are the match the following. Okay, so after this, now write true or false. Write true or false. Write true or false. So see, what is the first one? Papaya has many seeds. Many seeds. The second one is all natural things are living. All natural things are living. Next, third one, the roots hold the plant. Roots holds a plant upright. The fourth one, last one is non-living things need food. Non-living things need food. Okay, so you have to write if the question is true or false. What is the first question? Papaya has many seeds. Yes. If you ever eat papaya fruit, it has many seeds, not only one seed. Okay, it has many seeds. Yes, it is true. Then all natural things are living. Is it necessary? No. All living things like all natural things are living things. See, sun, moon, these are the natural things, but they are not living things. So the answer is false. It means all natural things are not living things. Okay, some of them are non-living also. So next, the roots holds the plant upright. No, it is false. Then which part of a plant holds the plant upright? That is stem. Stem is the part of a plant which holds the plant upright. Okay. Next, non-living things need food. No, it's false, because it's a non-living thing. It doesn't grow, it doesn't speak, it doesn't breathe also. So it doesn't need food also. Okay. So these are some right, true or false. Next, multiple choice questions into a dash. So options, you will get the options here. You will get 4 options, A, B, C, D. I have to choose the correct one and write the answer. Okay. We can go into a butterfly, a big one, moth, moth, C, mosquito, big one, cat. So what is the correct answer? A kitten goes into a cat. Yes, the correct answer is D, cat. Kitten ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಾ cat ಆಗುತ್ತಾ. So the next one is which of the following is a man-made thing? Is a man-made thing. See. A1 river, B1 rock, C computer, B1 none of these. See, this is the question. Which of the following is a man-made thing? Man-made things are the means. What are the man-made things? The things which are made by man. So, river made by man? No, it is a natural thing. Rock is also a natural thing. It is not made by man. Next, what about computer? Is it a man-made thing or a natural thing? It is a man-made thing. Okay. So then the answer is computer. Computer is a man-made thing. Okay. So now the third one is living things. Living things dash. A1 grow. B1 breathe. C1 is do not reproduce. Okay, and the D one is both A and B. Both A and B. See, living things dash, living things grow, breathe, do not reproduce, or both A and B. See, yes, living things can grow. Living things can grow. Next, living things can breathe also. They do not reproduce. No, all living things can reproduce. Then it is the wrong answer. Both A and B. They can grow and they can breathe as well. So the answer is both A and B. They living things can grow and living things can breathe as well. So the answer is D one. Both A and B. Okay. So the next one is next the fourth one is fruit cover and protect. Fruit cover and protect. And protect the dash. A1 leaf, stem, next roots, and take one seed. Okay, so fruit cover and protect the what? It protect and cover the seed, because what is present inside of a fruit? Fruit ಒಳಗಡೆ ನೀವು ಏನು ನೋಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಸೀಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತಾ. So that fruit is a outer covering and hard covering to protect and cover the seed. Okay, so the answer is fruit cover and protect the seed. Okay. Next, true or false. In true or false, two more questions were there. Like living things breathe. Is it true or false? Living things breathe. Yes, it is true. Whether it's a human being or a plant, all living things can breathe. Some of the living things are having lungs to breathe. Some of the other living things are having moist skin to breathe. But all living things can breathe. It is true. Next one is a leaf is a leaf is called the food factory of a plant. Yes, it is true. A leaf is called a food factory or a kitchen of a plant because it prepares the food for the whole plant and also it supplies the food to all the parts of a plant. So it is called a food factory or a kitchen of a plant. Okay. So whatever I taught you today in today's class, just prepare it for the test. It is extremely important and do well in the examination. Okay, read well. All the best.